Good morning, everyone. Today is my first time recording something. My name is Micaela Andante, and I'm currently a third year college student. My biggest struggle in life is to speak in front of an audience, also known as public speaking. Now, the hard thing about public speaking is when you want to express your opinions or ideas of information about something of these particular questions, situations, or arguments that needed uh, more comprehensive arguments or ideas that need to add on. But you're in fear. I'm in fear to speak my mind. I often struggle a lot, and one of the few situations where I struggle to speak up my mind is I'm when there's a discussion. One thing about in that discussion is when the teacher asks a question, I have the idea or the answer that are needed for that particular question. But I began to consume by my fear to be failed, fear to be misunderstood, fear to be wrong, just like that. Anything that is related to that. And that's something that hinders me to share my ideas. Now, what I want to do at this moment is to gradually improve my speaking skills, not just by speaking publicly, but being confident to deliver an information that I made and think or I have in my mind. Because I believe that what I'm thinking or saying sig- truly signify my confidence to through the other people. And that is something that I want to overcome for these past years as I grow up. I want to use my weakness as a strength to keep on improving as a person. Not just to speak up my mind, but to be more accurate and to communicate more comfortably to the other person or to the people that I want to talk. And I wish that from this moment on, I will gradually help myself to improve, because not this will only help me in a lot of things, but I can use this as a strength to change the perspective about myself, that I am a public servant that knows how to public speak. That's all. And I thank you.